Alright, Mr. Vogel, here's the video that I promised you of the 2012 Nissan Armada. This is the Platinum Edition. I just wanted to show you that you don't have any scratches, scrapes, nicks, dents, or dings on it. It's in near perfect condition. We're going to hop inside so I can show you some things. Before we do that, I just wanted to, well, here, we'll just go on ahead and hop in. You've got a black interior. Vehicle itself is black. You've got wood paneling. Some nice features about this vehicle. With this button here, you can move the pedals in and out. That's very nice. You got the platinum embossment and embroidering on the seats. And as you can see, it does have 105,445 miles on it. Some nice features about it. You have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. You also have dual climate control. As you can see, it's at 85 degrees on the driver's side and 80 degrees on the passengers. You also, I apologize, I'm wrong. You have tri-climate control, because here you can control the rear passenger's temperature as well. There's also another control for the rear passengers right there. They can control it themselves. Have a pretty spacious glove box there. As well as a center console. A center storage. Inside that you have your DVD player for your rear passengers. They can put in a DVD and watch movies while you're taking a trip. Very nice. I'm gonna hop into the back. Another nice thing, you have memory seating for two on the driver's side. Well, gotta unlock it. Alright, so now that we're in the second row, you have heated seats for the second row. And as I was speaking of before, you have your monitor for your DVD player. There was also a place that you can hook up a game system inside the center console there, so they can also, if you have kids or something, they can play video games on the screen. They also have a center console here that has a very deep storage container, but again, you've got the nice black leather seating. And from here, I'm going to go all the way to the back so that I can show you. You have a powered rear gate. And you also have a third row that's powered. And there you have it. And there are your mats for the whole vehicle. But this vehicle comes equipped with a tow hitch. We'll close up that gate. You have roof racks on here that come with that have anchors on them, so you can tie things down. It's a very nice vehicle. It's also equipped with a sunroof. As you can see, the roof of the vehicle is nice. Not all scratched up and dinged. One other thing I want to show you. On the mirrors, you have the turn signals. And this vehicle is equipped with not only sound by Bose, but you have Sirius satellite radio. So if you're going on a trip, you don't have to worry about finding radio stations. Well, this is the 2012 Nissan Armada Platinum Edition, and I am Milton Mundy, and I would love to sell you a car. Catch you later.